So many people think that PV solar system require frequent maintenance. That's not true at all. Hi, my name is Hans. I'm a senior operation and maintenance engineer. I'm handling all the operation and maintenance for all our clients.
How often should a solar PV system be maintained?
In Verdant Solar, our standard actually is 24 months, but this one is depending on location and also is for a residential client.
What happens during maintenance?
So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna go for client house and then we're gonna climb to the roof, we're gonna clean the PV panel for the client. And also to add up, we provide a 40-point checking to make sure this PV system is working so fine. If you want to know more on the 40-point checking, what is covered, you can just drop your question below.
What is the cost of maintenance?
So actually, it's really not expensive at all. If you want to know the cost and the price, you can visit our website and then you can leave the inquiries there. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.